management is really hard, no, when you think about it. Parang, oh my God, paano ba to? Paano ba ganyan? But, you know what? There are days na tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho ko. Just to give you an example, no? And para mas ma-visualize nyo pa. But there would be days na meron akong Grayson Day, meron akong Krishna Day. I mean, those are my kids. So, parang it's a matter of you setting time. It can be 2-3 hours or half of your day, could be, pwede. Pero sana bigyan lang talaga natin sila ng time. Because with kids, even teens by the way, even teens, lahat ng kids actually, they really need our time. Ako, with the things that I do with Grayson, those things na can be done by two of us, like especially minsan pag nagkukook ako, ganyan. Yes, it can be messy, but it's okay. Why? Kasi nandun na makikita mo yung support nila, na they're seeing, this is how it goes. Sometimes I bring them to work with me so that they will just know na parang, yeah, now I know why my mom is busy. 'Di ba? She couldn't get out yung phone niya. She couldn't message me. She couldn't call me. Oh, because her work pala requires her using the mic. And in the other hand is holding a script. Ganon. So parang, it's good also na makita ng bata or ng kids nyo na how busy you are. Why? Yung why napaka-important din sa kanila. Because in their head, parang, okay na, I know already why my mom is busy. Because she had to do this and that, she has to work, and then my dad also, 'di ba? Sana magkaroon tayo ng chance pakita din natin sa kanila what are the things that we do, 'di ba? To open their minds as well. And never ever think na they should understand, bata pa yan. No, wag natin i-underestimate ang mga kids. Sometimes they are really the best advisors that we can have. So, please, give them time. Give them love. Alam ko, medyo mahirap sa schedule, pero may times na dapat talaga i-allot ka for them. And sana magawa mo yun. Ako naman, nagagawa ko. Kaya ko naman. So, if I can do it, we can do it too.